Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bitly for affiliate link shortening, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Bitly for affiliate link shortening, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type bitly.com and press enter. Once the Bitly website loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to create your Bitly account. You will see options to sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. After signing up, you will be directed to your new Bitly dashboard. To download the Bitly mobile app, navigate to the App Store on your smartphone. If you are using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar of the App Store, type Bitly and press enter. Locate the official Bitly app developed by Bitly Incorporated. Tap on the app icon, and then hit the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Bitly app. You will need to log in with the account you created earlier. After logging in, you can start shortening your affiliate links immediately. To create a shortened link, find the option to paste your long affiliate URL in the app. Click on the Shorten button to generate your new shortened link. Your shortened link will be displayed, and you can now copy and share it as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Bitly and created your first shortened affiliate link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.